This is how to add system dividers in MuseScore Studio 4. First we need to go to the Style menu, which we can access either from Format in the top left-hand menu, or alternatively by right-clicking in any blank space in your score, and again selecting Style. Down the left-hand side of the pop-up, find System, and you should now see this section for system dividers. We can select whether they appear on the left, the right, or both sides of the score by checking these boxes. We can also choose which type of divider is used, and we can offset their position on the score. In this example, I'm using regular system dividers and I'm adjusting them so that they are centrally aligned with the end of each system. Remember to click OK when you're finished. If for any reason you want to add a single system divider to your score, then you can find the symbol in the Master Palette, which you can get to either from the View tab in the top left, or by using the shortcut Shift F9. From here, go down the left-hand menu to Symbols at the bottom of the list, and you can either scroll down to Staff Brackets and Dividers, or just start typing System Divider in the search bar at the top. Now you can add them to your score. They will need to be anchored to a note, but if you uncheck Autoplace in the Properties panel, you should be able to position them freely without affecting anything else. And there we go! I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.